Greetings everybody. Happy Tuesday Philippines. Happy what? Yeah. So yesterday we went to the town to fix my electric meter. So I have here the papers and the requirements needed for that. But today is we're going outside again to buy the electric box or the meter box and then put it outside. Once it's done, take a picture of it and then yeah, that is one of the requirements before I go to the Batilik and they will inspect it once it's done. I just want to thank Sir Daniel for everything. He's the one who gave me the sponsorship for this electric meter. Thank you so much. Thank you for making my dream come true. I'm serious. Thank you for making my life so easy. Thank you for helping me to reach my goal so easy. Thank you so much for everything. So for today nga, yes, we're going again outside. So I can make live na recently because yeah, I wanted to finish this as soon as possible. So everyone, thank you so much and God bless you.